Nakakatuwa tong salmon fish. Salmon fish, ayan oh. Ayan oh, gusto niyang umakyat sa itong turbulence ng water from upstream. Yung force niya is going against the tide. Ito talaga ang buhay ng salmon fish. Alam mo, doon sila pinanganak sa taas eh. Now their aim is to go back to their birthplace upstream just to die. Their birthplace is there upstream, kilometers away, and their purpose today is to go back to their birthplace just to die after spending some time there at the lake or ocean. So I think this is unique type of life span of fish, salmon. It's an edible dinner table thing. It's a very edible fish, and some of them died here, most of them, and some successful one can scale up stream up to their birthplace, but according to the story, they cannot even complete the journey. They only die somewhere, select themselves in one place there, and well, that's the time their life sentence will end there.